If the tines are splayed, roll the top of the nib on the edge of a hard surface. Next, with a fingertip on the underside of the feed, press the top side of the tip against a hard surface and rock the nib from side to side for 5 to 10 seconds. Repeat this step as needed. With a fingertip on the side of one tine, press the tip of the other tine down on a hard surface and hold for several seconds. Alternate sides and repeat as needed. Grip the sides of the tines between two fingertips and squeeze them firmly for 5 to 10 seconds, repeating as necessary. This can be uncomfortable, so we recommend using a jar grip or thin towel to cushion your fingertips.